Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix verification required. Tap continue and sign in to view billing information. So guys, if you're also facing this issue on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and go to your profile and then go to payment and shipping on your Apple account, and from here you have to simply remove your payment method from your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below all the way and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this sign in your Apple ID again and add your payment and shipping information very carefully. So guys, simply add your payment and shipping information correctly here, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.